In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Expedia One-Time Passcode not working. If you're not receiving an Expedia One-Time Passcode, or the code you enter keeps failing, follow along and we'll get you back into your account. First, check where the code might be hiding. These security messages are frequently misfiled by email providers. Use your email search bar and type Expedia or security code, then look in spam or junk. Also, glance at folders like Promotions or Updates, and any focused or other tabs your inbox uses. If you find a code, open the most recent message and use that code right away, as older ones may have already expired. Next, give the system a little time. Verification codes can be delayed by network congestion, so wait at least 5 minutes before choosing resend code. Requesting a new code too quickly can cancel the first one, leaving you stuck with multiple invalid codes in a row. Patience here prevents a lot of frustration. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. VPNs can trigger security checks that block or delay authentication traffic. Disabling it temporarily ensures the code can be delivered and accepted without those extra filters getting in the way. If the sign-in page keeps looping or rejecting valid entries, clear your browser's cookies and cache. Old site data can interfere with the login process and confuse the session. If you don't want to clear data right now, open a private or incognito window and sign in from there. This gives you a clean, temporary session without stored cookies. Make sure your device's date and time are set to automatic. If your clock is even slightly out of sync with Expedia's servers, the system may reject the passcode as expired the moment you enter it. Turn on automatic time and time zone, then try the code again. Be aware of lockouts. If you've tried to log in unsuccessfully more than 10 times, Expedia will lock your account for about 30 minutes for security. During that window, wait it out and avoid additional attempts so the timer can finish. If the one-time passcode still won't work after these steps, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Setting a new password can refresh your access and often bypasses the one-time code requirement entirely. Follow the instructions in the reset email, create a strong password, and sign in again. That's it. Work through these checks in order, and you should be back into your account smoothly.